How to fix email not allowed problem on Telegram. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the email not allowed problem on Telegram step by step. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. From the list, find and open Telegram. Once you're inside, tap on Storage and Cache. Now click on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Storage or Clear Data. This helps remove any temporary bugs causing the issue. After that, go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure all the important permissions are enabled. You can tap each option and select Allow. Now go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Search for 1.1.1.1 VPN and install it. Once installed, open the app and connect the VPN. Make sure the connection is active before moving to the next step. Now open Telegram again. In most cases, the email not allowed error will be fixed after this. Quick tip: if the issue still doesn't go away, try updating Telegram or reinstalling the app completely. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.